Here he comes.
I caught the white one. I saw yellow. Oh, what's that? It's the white one, yes. I'm going on the white one because that's
There's
the one I
yellow.
went on last time. I'm going on the
He's coming in a little higher.
Actually, someone
Hey, you
else
guys,
has to go on the white
step back
one
from the
too.
dock a little bit.
Because
He's going to come in with his
my
wings.
son is going on
Here,
my
Taryn,
bed
come.
on my bed.
I call for dibs on the first one that comes. So I call dibs on that one.
There's another one.
Okay, Austin, come back here. Step away from the dock a little bit. Matt, step back here.
Oh, it's a yellow one.
Because he's going to come in and his wing is going to sweep over the top.
Okay, everyone back up.
Actually, Claire. 3 more people has to fit on the white plate.
Austin.
You know why?
Matt.
Because my mom and Sean are not going on the white plate.
Pretty cool, huh, kids?
So you and somebody else can go on that. Oh, only one of your parents can go on.
Nice to see you.
Enjoy your tour.
Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Austin, stand right there.
I want to go on the yellow one.
Okay, Austin.
Austin, turn around.
Taryn, turn around. Kalea, turn around.
Kalea, turn around.
Kalea, turn. Everybody turn around.
First 6.
Okay, go ahead. First 6, line up.
Oh, wait.
Austin, no. No, 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 no.